I am so excited to show you this home today. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, completely remodeled home down to the studs. It's got a full finished basement, brand new 2.5-car garage. I'm Joanna Bruno with the Bruno Group. Come on in, let me show you around.
Technical emotion, waving like the ocean. Hello to a new day. Could it